This is a Collie Ranks production. Enjoy and bless up.
Hey there, reggae lovers. Ever wondered how reggae evolved from its roots to the electrifying beats of dancehall? Let's dive into this vibrant journey, shall we? It all started in the late 1960s in Jamaica, where reggae music began to take shape. Influenced by mento, ska and rocksteady, reggae's laid-back rhythm and soulful lyrics resonated with the island's people. Artists like Bob Marley and Peter Tosh brought reggae to the world stage, spreading messages of love, unity and social justice. But what really fueled reggae's rise? Enter the sound systems. These mobile music setups, consisting of DJs, MCs and powerful speakers, became the heartbeat of Jamaican culture. Sound systems brought music to the streets, creating a communal experience where everyone could feel the vibe. Now, let's talk about some legends. Daddy Uroy, often hailed as the originator, revolutionized the DJ scene in the 1970s. He introduced the toasting style, where DJs would talk or chant over a rhythm, creating a new layer of musical expression. Without Daddy Uroy, modern rap and hip-hop might sound very different today. Then there's King Stitt, another pioneer of the sound system culture. Known for his distinctive voice and energetic presence, King Stitt was one of the first DJs to gain widespread fame. He showed that sound system DJs could be stars in their own right, paving the way for future generations. As the 1980s rolled in, reggae began to evolve into dancehall. This new genre was faster, more beat-driven, and infused with digital instrumentation. Dancehall artists like Shabba and Beenie took the spotlight, bringing energetic performances and catchy hooks to the masses. Sound systems continued to play a crucial role in this transition. They remained the testing ground for new tracks and styles, with DJs and selectors shaping the soundscape of dancehall. The vibrant street parties and clashes between rival sound systems kept the culture alive and kicking. So there you have it, from reggae roots to dancehall beats. It's a story of innovation, community, and the relentless power of music. So whenever you're vibing to the culture, don't forget the legends who made it possible. Stay tuned for Jamaican cultural insight from the Cali Ranks channel, 'cause we live that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more musical journeys. Large up.